Experts say the China-proposed Global Development Initiative will support global solidarity and peace towards stronger partnership and development, despite the challenges facing the world today. The GDI, proposed by China in 2021, aims to steer global development toward a new stage of balanced, coordinated and inclusive growth.
Yes, on the Global Development Initiative is enunciated in September last year. This is an extremely important declaration and position taken by China. That in the face of all these challenges that we have referred to in the new era, a global approach is required.
It's not possible to solve the problems of the world without development and without the development of the poor country. This proposal of China is actually international public good that is very important.
In September, UN Chief Antonio Guterres said that the world needs solidarity and renewed multilateralism to achieve the SDGs, and the GDI helps achieve the SDGs.
We face a perfect storm of cascading crises. The holistic Global Development Initiative is a valued contribution to addressing common challenges and accelerating the transition to a more sustainable and inclusive future.